Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make banana toffee, aka Banoffee. First, I'm going to make the caramel. Into the saucepan, place castor sugar and butter. On a low-medium flame, stir gently. And when the bubbles has come out, put in the condensed milk. Add a teaspoon of salt and stir it gently. Continue to cook for a few minutes until the caramel thickens and the sugar is completely melted. Set the caramel aside to cool it slightly. Now I'm going to crush the biscuits. Put them in a sealed sandwich bag and just crush them finely. Add the melted butter and stir until the crumbs are all coated and resemble wet sand. Meanwhile, whisk the double cream until it's stiff. Now, I'm going to prepare the bananas. Basically, just peel the bananas and slice it. Okay, now I'm going to make 2 layers of the banoffee. Pour these crumbs and just try to make an even layer. Put the bananas and just gently push it. Pour the caramel and try to make it even. Then put the cream and spread it evenly. Last, for the first layer, cocoa powder. And now everything is the same for the second layer. And the banoffee is ready! Put the banoffee in the fridge for at least 3 until 4 hours or overnight to set. So, this is the result after I put it in the fridge overnight. As you can see, the ingredients are merged together.